If you're having a long day out in the open, owing to your field work or because of activities like cycling, trekking, etc., sunscreen is crucial but is not enough. You need to increase the protection by wearing protective gear like this. So these caps and hats are excellent for days like these as they offer all-round protection. You can also customize the level of protection you want based on the exposure you're having as they come with detachable flaps. Now, this is made up of extremely lightweight fabric and they also offer protection against the ultraviolet rays. Now, how SPF is a rating for sunscreens, UPF is for the fabric. It comes with a mesh pattern at the nose area which aids for better airflow and will also prevent fogging of the shades. It's also very easy to travel with them as they can be folded and packed properly. So always look at enhancing sun protection in more than one ways in order to prevent sun damage. You can easily find these hats in any sports store like Decathlon or online sports website. Even Amazon sells this product. In case you find it difficult to get your hands on this, comment for link and I will share it with you.